I start with the background of the Rudy. What is Rudy Multi Trading Company and what is Rudy? This objective we have started with the why farmers remain hungry. That is basic objective of design the innovative business model for the small and marginal farmer. Sharing Rudy experience on food security and livelihood security of small farmers. See, Seva is just about a little brief about the Seva. It's a member-based organization and single largest trade union for the grassroots women members. Founded by 1972 by Mrs. Ila Bhatt. We strictly follow the Gandhian philosophy of simplicity, women's leadership, strengthen village economy and self-reliance. We have currently, this figure has not been changed. We have current membership of 1.90 million members from 12 states of India. Out of these, 2/3 of members are from the rural areas and 60% of rural members are small and marginal farmers. See, the basic objective of Rudy is why farmers remain hungry. Because they don't have the holding capacity when they want to sell. Otherwise, they have to sell the product throwaway price. In that case, they sell the product, but they remain hungry. This is the reality of the members' experience. They always exploited members and taking loan from them, and their debt levels day by day increasing because of the lack of market access. Also, they do not have the working capital and technological knowledge and technology. They don't have tools and equipment library. This causes reduce their production capacity and remain poor. They could not come off the poverty. Therefore, Rudy has been designed an innovative business model and agribusiness initiative by Seva to ensure the livelihood security of farmers and the rural producers. Rudy ensure the work and income security, its own supply chain model, and also ensure the food security for the rural women household and farmers, small and marginal farmers, to strengthen the rural economy by rotating the working capital within the villages, and also set up a rural distribution network. They should be the owners and managers of their own supply chain management and the step by step process. There are 15,000 farmers are beneficiary to this supply chain model. The Rudy Agribusiness initiative by Seva leading to economic empowerment is direct procurements from the farmers, processed by the rural women producers group and distributed producer by members touching millions of households. Marketing and sales by the women itself. This ensures the multiple employment opportunities for the rural producers. We are planning to scale up this same model from Gujarat, Rajasthan and Assam in 2000. Already we have launched in Rajasthan and about to launch in Assam product. At national level from 2,000 to 20,000, reaching up to 1 million members involving in the Rudy process. This is our structure. The first column is the farmers groups supplying to the processing center, and the finished goods purchased by the Rudy Multi Trading Company, and the products sold by the Rudy Ben, we called in the commercial language as the dealers, and distributors, the A grade Rudy Ben OS become the distributor. We are following the commercial model involving with the grassroots women. This is and the district association is playing a major role by support the farmers group by providing technological capacity building, working capital, and also provide the infrastructure along with the working capital to the production processing center. So company is looking after only the marketing linkages for the producers. So this is a joint initiative of Seva, the Seva Gram Mela Haat. And What we achieved so far, we have 20%, 30% able to provide the better price to the farmers, and the women are dealers who are earning 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees per month, and 3,000 Rudy Ben who are distributor and dealer are earning 5,000 to 25,000 rupees average income per month through the sales and marketing. The sales turnover within in 9 years around 28 crore rupees and reaching up to 100 rupees for planning through the expanding activities. Established ownership of assets, children's education and reduce the poverty level. Education and awareness of on importance of taking business leadership activities collectively. Improved Rudy agribusiness through mobile technology, introduced using the women fast communication technology specially designed for the MS design with the help of Vodafone and Cherry Blair Foundation. We called Rudy Sandesha Waiver. The future plan from 10 crores to 100 crore rupees in 5 years. That is our major challenges and able to achieve in 5 years. We have prepared the business plan for this to how we are on time with a time bound implementing the business plan. This is the work case study of Rudy multi-trading company and Rudy initiative. Thank you one and all.
Uma-ben, thank you so much. I'm going to be devil's advocate again. So my question to you is, could you please elaborate how the food security initiative from grain banks and rice banks has gone a step further in solving the nutrition security through this commercial initiative? That's the first question. And since behavior change was an attitudinal change is something that has been highlighted as the biggest challenge to achieving nutrition security, how do you think that the enterprise model actually addresses this?
See, I already told you why the Rudy initiative farmers remain hungry. Why farmers remain hungry? Initially, we started this grain bank where the farmers can store their own product whenever they want. They can take from their own store bank. However, it is not a sustainable model. When the Rudy initiative started, we struggled to procure directly from the farmers, which was a very high expensive process. The grain bank won't help us, where already they have a store, we can immediately, whenever we want, we can purchase. Then we have linked with the grain bank using also a warehousing for the Rudy and not only the grain, also we can keep the product, finished product, packed product in the Rudy warehousing, grain bank using as a warehousing, so the farmers will get all this product, the set of we called food security kit. So we whatever in the Godans we create a food security packet around 10 to 15 products, which is one and only essential item of cereals, pulses, oil and other spices product. These are all the day-to-day consuming product. They attractive the food security product. We are also giving some kind of credit program because they are not afford to buy immediately all the product, the kit. So we will give 15 days credit program. So they sincerely give back the money to the program. So easily rotate the money also. This is another unique model we have to design linking with the grain banks. And another things we are also planning to involve the young generation. So that is also major challenges for this. Young generation vision is totally different than the old generation. They are using the computer. They want to do something. What their parents are, they don't want to do. But we are making interest them involved in the same agriculture practices, using the mobile technology, computer, another technology, using the modern machineries. The young generation, the grasping power and the basic education level is also little higher than the older generation. This we want to take the advantage of the developing the better than the older generation, so that they can become empowering in different way. This will help us to preserve our agriculture practices. Nowadays, this is major threat, and this younger generation do not want to go into the agriculture field like their parents. Now we are doing it the different through education program and capacity building. This is we are working. Oh. Enterprise. This is, there are multiple enterprise model we have. This is, if you see the farmers are, they are doing the farmers collectively producing, collectively supplying to the processing center. The processing center is managed by the women's producers group. We are making them managers through enterprise price development model, is the course capacity building. They will become the owners of the processing center. They are the investor, they are the producers. And then the individual enterprises, the distributors and dealer, we called Rudy Ben. There are A grade, B grade, C grade Rudy Ben. They are all independent, or they can be a collective family enterprise we call. Suppose they're selling products, entire family is involving in the selling the products. This is a different kind of enterprise model we have created. So they are all getting the loan from the bank. We are also arranging for the loan facility to purchase the Rudy finished products and sell it in the. In that way, we are earning more and more day by day, increasing the turnover of the Rudy product. They are the major heart of the business to sustain the Rudy business model.